Another factor that affect the competitive rivalry in the market is the supplier bargaining power. Usually, the actually supplier prepare the raw materials, services, training, and different type of actually production for the organization. So the relationship between the supplier and the organization is also very important to increase the profitability of the organization. But the supplier bargaining power is sometimes high in the market, especially when the supplier prepared the very unique product for the organization. The bargaining power of the supplier is very high. So in this way, the supplier sometimes have the all the suppliers have the ability to increase the price when they have the bargaining power, and maybe they have the power to decrease the quality, and they have the power to limit the number of product they will sell in the market. So that's a reason it is important for the organization to decrease the supplier bargaining power. So, as I mentioned here, supplier power is the degree of control a provider of good or services, because usually the supplier prepare the good or services for the organization, can exert on its buyers. Uh, Here are several factors determine supplier bargaining power. The first factor is when suppliers are highly concentrated, the bargaining power is very high. It means that there is no substitute, and also the number of the suppliers are very low in the market. So when the number of the supplier very low, the bargaining power of the supplier is very high. Uh, Here we have two examples. For example, the IKEA company, and you know the IKEA is very well known around the world, prepare the furniture, and also uh, this company has so many suppliers. There are so many small and medium enterprises uh, prepare the product for the IKEA. So since the number of the supplier very high, it is actually um, easy for IKEA to change the supplier. Another example is the gas station. Gas station, the number of the supplier for the gas station not high in the region. For example, one or two refinery prepare the actually product for the gas station. So the bargaining power in the gas station is very high, but the bargaining power in the for the supplier of the IKEA very low. If the supplier also vertically integrated, their bargaining power is even also stronger. And also the bargaining power is determined by the ability substitute product in the market. And the last factor that affects the competitive rivalry in the market is the bargaining power of the buyer also. Customers are where a company business come from. When they buy our products, we generate the revenue. If a firm provides a unique good or service like operating system, just assume Microsoft. Microsoft prepared the operating system. The choice of the customer not very high for the operating system. Usually they use the Windows. So the bargaining power of the customer in this industry very low. But just assume the transportation. The the actually the buyers have different options and different alternatives. They can use their own car, they can use, for example, bus, they can use the Uber. So the bargaining power of the customer is very high because the number of the alternatives also very high. And bargaining power of the customer in the, for example, high switching costs decrease the bargaining power of the customer. For example, replacing the new ERP system software uh, with the current ERP system software. It is very difficult for the company to actually install and use the new ERP software because they need to expend a lot of money to train their employee to work with the new ERP software. In the market also with the for highly differentiated product, for example, Ferrari and also the Rolex are the very differentiated product. Usually the customer don't pay attention to the price. They just pay attention to the quality of the product. And these are the factors that affect the competitive rivalry in the market. Thank you very much for your attention.